Okay, Larry's taking his maiden voyage. He's hitting the road. Yeah.
Close the door, close.
Larry and Sully the bus have departed. Just another wonderful client. This week is a big one. We have a client coming to pick up their bus today. Larry Vance is on his way from out east. He is coming to pick up Sully. Handoffs are always exciting. He's gonna be sticking around for probably 2 or 3 days while he learns the systems, gets caught up on his bus before he takes that big 30-hour trip back home. I think most of this week is just going to be handoff. Larry, it was an absolute pleasure getting to meet you. This whole process was an absolute blast. We can't wait to see where this bus takes you. A little bit of a background on Larry. He is a retired aviation investigator. He has investigated some very high profile cases that made their way into the media. Well, just look at this.
Larry Vance was one of the main investigators of the 1998 Swiss air crash south of Halifax. In a new book, Vance says he's certain one of MH370's pilots remained in control until he landed on the water.
You can imagine why our week was so fun. Lots of stories from Larry. Very cool job. So we're gonna link his book below. Make sure you guys pick that up, give it a read. What an interesting individual. Larry, it was an absolute blast. Safe travels home. Come visit.
Yeah, this
Isn't it
nice.
something?
It's really nice. It's it looks better in person.
That has been getting a lot of buzz.
Yeah.
The Berkey with the direct fill.
Yeah. I thought that would be a nice touch. I came up with that myself.
Yeah, that was you. Okay, so slides, drawers are all pushed open.
Okay.
These are all your remotes.
Yeah.
You put the fans if you want to use them.
Yeah.
Stereo system up there,
Oh yeah.
and then you have your camera system down there.
Amazing. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. Yeah.
All those boys, they're the carpenters.
Yeah.
I just did some lighting.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing on the videos.
Your blackout blinds in here.
Oh yeah.
And you should have another drawer over here. And as you see how tight with the chair and
Yeah, that's
everything
exactly
else
right.
is.
Yeah. So,
That's your dimmer. Just set it there. And actually, you have 3-way lighting, so if you forget, when you're walking up the door, set it there.
now I have to go in and see the
Oh yeah, keep venturing.
You gotta see the
throne.
Since that last video, we've been getting questions about that throne.
Yeah. I can't understand why everybody doesn't have one of those. Yeah, if I watch during COVID times, I've been watching so many YouTube videos, and if they have the major complaint is the toilets.
Right.
What kind of toilet are you
What
going to
options?
have? Going to have a cassette toilet? Or are you going to have a regular toilet? Or are you going to have whatever, a composting
Standard
toilet?
RV.
Standard RV toilet. And rarely do you ever hear anybody talk about an incineration toilet. Cinderella. My son has one of these, not this brand, but like that at his cottage. Yeah, he loves it. It's hard to say where this is going to end up in the end. I'll be all over the place.
Do you have an idea for first big trip?
Yeah, I'm going down to the East Coast because that's where I'm from. My family's down. I haven't seen them for 3 years, so.
Right.
Well, whatever's been.
Everyone's been locked
Yeah,
up.
I've been locked up with COVID. April of 2022, and my bus built at Paved To Pines is finally ready. I arrived here yesterday to go through everything and spent the night. Actually, I arrived the day before yesterday. I've spent 2 nights here in the compound. They were nice enough to run the bus outside for me and let me live in it for 2 days, and it was good. It was really good that we did it that way, because we did run into a few issues, some of which were my doing, and some of which were little hiccups that are inevitably going to be there when you buy something new like this. So we had to merge my lack of knowledge with their extreme levels of knowledge, and make sure that I'm understanding the basics and of what needs to be done when you're taking on a bus like this to start driving it around for the first time. Stephen asked me to say whatever I wanted to, both good and bad, and I have virtually everything that I have to say about Paved To Pines is good. A really, really top-notch place to deal with. I've dealt with a lot of people over my years, and I rank this right up at the top. And I'm not just saying that. That's how I actually feel. The guys who are working on the buses, I've been in the shop quite a bit the last couple of days, and they're having fun. They're skilled people. They do really good work. The integrity of the bus, I have no doubt that it's built to a very high standard, highest that it can be built to. I'm talking electrical, plumbing, and the mechanics of the bus, and of course the good woodworking that they do, and putting it all together, and the monitoring systems and so on. I've had a chance to try almost everything. I haven't managed to break anything yet. I can't say that I understand everything to 100% at this point, but that's all part of the adventure. That's what you have to do, is learn as you go. But just to wind up, the people here are really fantastic to deal with. Fully trustworthy. It's a great organization. I would highly recommend it. So that's it, Stephen. Stephen left me here on my own.
How'd that go?
Oh, it went good. You'll get a couple.
Nailed the performance.
You'll get 30 seconds out of that.
Perfect. Oh, a new pair of jeans on the guy. Is that a fresh pair?
No, a fresh pair? I never have fresh jeans. They're always.
Sorry, looking right at the sun for this one?
Oh yeah.
Can I get a stool so I don't look so short?
Wax on, wax off.
Where's Mitchell down there?
There he is.
I'm not going in that muck.
Oh no, don't go over there. I was talking to Lori.
Oh, there you
Put him down in the lower spot.
We're in the friggin' muck. I'm not doing
Okay, I'm only in the office if somebody sees.
That's fine.
Okay, where's the owner?
that. The owner is here.